90% of people who try to learn cybersecurity quit in the first month. Not because it's too hard, because they learn things in the wrong order. They jump straight into hacking tutorials without knowing what a port is. Today, I'm fixing that for you permanently. The biggest mistake beginners make is learning everything at once. Most people waste months learning the wrong things. Certifications without skills, course without practice. Today, I will show you the exact roadmap from complete beginner to job ready SOC Analyst. Let's go. Before you learn cybersecurity, you must understand the roads that cyber attacks travel on. Those roads are networks. Every login request, every website visit, every cyber attack begins as network traffic. If you don't understand networking, you are trying to become a doctor without understanding the human body. Start by learning the OSI models, TCP and IP, DNS, HTTP, HTTPS, and common ports. Learn how devices communicate. Learn how data moves from one system to another. Then open Wireshark and start watching packets in real time. Don't memorize, understand. The next step is Linux. Most security tools run on Linux. Many attackers use Linux. Many defenders use Linux, so you must become comfortable with it. Learn the Linux file systems, permissions, processes. Learn how logs are stored. Practice commands like ls, cd, cat, find. Start a Linux virtual machine. Break things, fix things. This is how real learning happens. Now we move into security itself. Before learning tools, learn principles. Understand the CAA triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These three concepts are the foundation of cybersecurity. Learn how phishing works, how malware spreads. Learn authentications and encryptions. Learn how attackers think, and most importantly, learn mid-tray attack. Because every attack follows patterns. Once you understand those patterns, you stop reacting and start predicting. And the next is Windows fundamentals. Most enterprise environments runs on Windows, which means most security incidents happens on Windows systems. Learn Active Directory, users, groups, and permissions. Learn Windows Event Viewer and Registry. Learn where Windows stores evidence. Because when an attack happens, the answers are already inside the logs. You simply need to know where to look. And the phase 5 is log analysis. This is where cybersecurity becomes investigation. Logs tell stories: logins, process, action, and mistake. As an analyst, your job is to ask 4 questions. Who logged in? From where? When did it happen? And what happened next? If you can answer those 4 questions from a log file, you are already thinking like a SOC analyst. Now, let me show you the heart of cybersecurity. The Security Operations Center. In previous video, we discussed how this TICE works, and in upcoming videos, we will have a detailed overview on this. Then, we can understand how this team works together and protect organizations 24 hours a day. Now, it's time for tools. But don't make the mistake most beginners make. Don't try to learn 10 different SIEM platforms. Learn one deeply. Start with Splunk. Understand searches, dashboards, correlations, alerts. Then explore Microsoft Sentinel and Wazoo. Remember, companies hire analysts who understand security, not people who simply knows where buttons are. And next, hands-on labs. This is where you become employable. Knowledge gets interviews, practice gets jobs. Use TryHackMe, Let's Defend, Blue Team Labs. Investigate alerts, hunt threats, respond to incidents. Build experience before someone pays you for it. Because the best analyst isn't the one who watched the most videos. It's the one who solved the most problems. Let's put everything together. And at the end of these 4 months, you can confidently apply for SOC Analyst Level 1. You do not need expensive courses. You do not need permissions to begin. You need consistency. Learn, practice, defend, and when you are ready, I will be here to guide you. Subscribe to TrinetraSOC right now. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a single video. The digital world needs defenders. I am Agent Netra and I will see you in the next video.